Boeing CEO David Calhoun has announced he will step down by the end of this year. In a related announcement, Stephanie Pope is replacing Boeing Commercial Airplanes President and CEO Stan Deal, effective immediately, and Board Chairman Larry Kellner won't seek re-election. This announcement is an opportunity for reflection and candor, but it is another missed opportunity. What at first glance looks like a big move is actually slow, incremental, and largely more of the same old spreadsheet pilots running an aerospace enterprise. Calhoun failed to address an antagonistic relationship with engineering and factory workers. He failed to cite structural changes that should be made. He repeated exhortations for workers to be more diligent in a system that has, so far, discouraged diligence. The Machinists Union, currently in contract negotiations, wants a board seat. That's an unusual arrangement in the U.S., but it would be a concrete expression of changing Boeing's labor relations. Calhoun made no mention of this. Here's some of what he said in connection with the announcement that he will be stepping down. Well, the big thing here is, first of all, Stan is retiring. This is about the clear path to give our best people internally an opportunity to shine in front of the board, demonstrate everything they can do. Stephanie's track record speaks for itself. She has been a leader in every position she's had. She has seen every part of the economy. She has most recently led our global services business. It services both our military customers and our commercial customers every day, all day, taking calls, responding, doing the work. She has really differentiated herself. So the move we made at the end of the year to put her into a chief operating officer position was a very deliberate move. This is discouraging in a number of ways. Stephanie Pope's background is almost entirely in financial analysis, not an engineer or technologist of any kind. She would be the person you would go to determine if spinning off the Wichita factory would improve Boeing's return on net assets, not how to make a good airplane. Her elevation to CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes is not an interim role. It handcuffs the next Boeing CEO to the financialized management model that brought Boeing into this crisis. In other words, Calhoun is as confident as ever that he made all the right moves. I'm pretty sure that when the FAA called for a change in culture at Boeing, this falls far short.